Hello again, old friends. Thank you so much for joining me for my FabFitFun Winter 2022 unboxing. It's been a while, life has been hectic, but I'm happy to share this box with you. I've got my regular box, some add-ons, and a couple of refills. And on one of my refills is actually a mystery bundle, which I'll be unboxing in a separate video, but we'll get right into this. Here's my FabFitFun magazine, which we all know and love. I'll get that bundle out of here. And then the first item out will be the free item, the Smart Water. I'm looking forward to trying this flavor. I really loved the last flavor we had, which was lemon dandelion, I believe. It was really good. It's hard to find them in the stores, but I've been lucky enough to grab it once or twice again. First add-on item, if you know, you know, poopery spray. I won't go into huge detail on how it works, but I really like to have it when I'm going to be out and about or somewhere where there's a public restroom. And our next add-on is the Laura Geller eyeliner. I'm just a really big fan of this eyeliner. This is my second time buying it. I used up my first one, so that lets you know it's a good product. I just really like the way it goes on and the way it stays on. I've tried some other ones, but I keep coming back to this one. So we'll tuck that back in. Next item out, let's see. I'll try this. It's the Elemis face wash. And it's the superfood wash. It looks really interesting, and anytime I can get something from this brand, I grab it because everything I've tried, the papaya enzyme peel, the 1,000 flower mask, they all work really great with my skin. So I'm looking forward to trying this as well. I just ran out of face wash, so this is perfect timing. And also from Elemis, I have this item, which is the Frangipani shower cream. I might have butchered that pronunciation, but it smells really good. And I did get a coordinating item with that as well. I'm looking forward to trying this line too. And with that, I did get the hair mask also. So those are both going directly into my shower, and I will be trying them out this week. I'm interested in how their hair products work, like their shower cream, because I've only ever used just moisturizers, face washes, and masks. So it'll be new to see some new products. And then here we have another body wash. This is the Mega C body wash. And I'll have to put that one on standby for now, but I'm looking forward to using it. And then here I grabbed a kitchen scale because sometimes I get a little heavy on cosmetic items and body care items, so I like to mix things up a little. And I don't have a kitchen scale, and I think it would come in really useful because I do cook a lot. And well, like in cookbooks from America, they mostly use like cups and teaspoons and stuff like that. When I'm looking at maybe something from the UK, for example, they usually measure in grams and by weight, so this may be really helpful for me. It's cute, it's small, it won't take up a whole lot of room. It looks like I can just slide it into the side of any of my cabinets. So that's great, and it's going to be really interesting to use. Next out, this is a grape shower gel, and I got it in an add-on once before, and I just used up the end of that bottle as well. I really liked it. I was worried it was going to be kind of a really sweet, sickly grape, but it's kind of a nicer grape than that. It's just a really nice, kind of classy smell. And this here is a fabric shaver. I bought some fry socks that pilled up really badly, so I thought I'd grab this and use it on them to kind of try to depill them. I also have an Afghan I crocheted a while back, which is one of my very favorites, but it too has been developing some pills on the surface. So I wanted to see if I could save it. And again, like I said, I do like ordering things sometimes that are non-skincare as well, just to try to mix things up. So hopefully this works. I mean, the socks are super soft, and the Afghan, of course, like I said, is one of my favorites. So if I can salvage them in any way, that would be great. And that's the instruction booklet. I'll be giving that a try this weekend sometime after the holiday hustle and bustle of Black Friday dies down and I have time to like sit and breathe. Okay, so next out, I have this mug. It's kind of like a holiday style mug. It's got snowflakes. I got it because my mom said she would like it, so I've got tons of mugs myself, but I wasn't sure what to pick from that category, and she loves it, so it was a good idea. It's a really cute mug, and it's kind of nice big size. It's not like a teeny little mug that you can't fit any coffee into. Definitely get your sips on with this. We're getting near the bottom of the box, but I had like two of the big items I was really looking forward to. We'll go with the little one first. It's the hand cream. It is from one of my favorite brands. It's really heavy, so you have to use just a teeny dab, but it does keep your hands moisturized for a really long time. I put it on yesterday, and even through like washing dishes and everything, my hands still felt good. And then finally, we have the unhide blanket. Not blanket, I'm so used to saying unhide blanket. Unhide pillow. And I got this to be like an accent pillow on my bed because my bed set is kind of gray, like different shades of gray. And although it looks kind of white on the film, it's really a pale gray and it really goes well. And it goes well with some other pillowcases that I bought from another add-on sale. Now it's a little smaller than I thought it would be, but it is just the right size once I got it on my bed. It was a good proportion to where it looked really nice. And of course it has that great soft unhide feel. And the pillowcase does come off so that you can wash it as well, which is really nice. Just feels so good. And you can see the zipper on the back where you can pop that insert out. And we have hit the bottom of the barrel. So I'll just go ahead and line this stuff up so for the final display. Again, if you like these kinds of videos, please like and subscribe. I will be putting some more out soon. I have my mystery bundle, of course, that I pulled out of this box. And I still have some older mystery bundle videos that I never got around to doing final videos for or editing them at all because I've been so busy at work, like totally overwhelmed and doing a lot of overtime. So a lot of like the stuff that I enjoy doing kind of unfortunately had to take a sideline. But I will definitely get around to those soon and be putting them up. And other than that, I just thank you so much for hanging in there with me and stopping by to check out this unboxing. I hope to see you again.